Christmas memories.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be kind of tidying up the main living area of our house really quick, and then I am going to go ahead and put together a hot cocoa bar. I am super excited for this. I've always kind of wanted to have a hot cocoa bar and I never really had like a place for it, and also it just kind of never happened. But I had asked you guys in my Christmas decorate with me if you guys would like to see that, and you guys all said yes. So I'm super excited to go ahead and share that with you guys today. And this video is also going to be a collaboration with my friend Lindsay from Lindsay's Life and Style. She is one of my very best friends on YouTube. She is so incredibly sweet. We've actually done a collaboration before, and I'm super excited to do this video with her as well. She is a mom of two, and she has a lot of similar content that I have on my channel. So you guys definitely have to go check her out. You guys are absolutely going to love her channel if you are not already subscribed. So I will go ahead and leave her video link down in the description box below. So definitely go check her out and let her know that I sent you. And if you are new to my channel or coming over from Lindsay's channel, welcome. I am so excited to have you. My name is Amanda and I am a stay-at-home mom to 3 little boys. I have all kinds of motherhood and lifestyle videos on my channel, lots and lots of cleaning, and then I have organization, hauls, cooking, just anything mom life will probably end up on my channel. So if those are the kind of videos that you are interested in, definitely don't forget to subscribe down below, and let's go ahead and get on into this. So I decided to start out in our living room today instead of our kitchen like I usually do, just because we had a ton of books that we were getting rid of. We went through our books recently and just picked out ones that we just kind of never pick, or ones that are not our favorites, and that way we just have a little bit more room on our bookshelf, and these books can definitely bless someone else since we are not really using them. But because after we went through our books and I just brought them down to the bottom of our stairs and not immediately into our car, as you can see, the little boys did get into them and kind of sprawled them out all over the floor. So Luke and I just went ahead and tackled this together and got all of them taken out to the car to be donated. Once we got the living room picked up, I went ahead into the kitchen and just started kind of tidying up in here and kind of clearing off the counters. And then I moved on to the dishes. We had just had such a busy day that, as you can see, I had a ton of dishes sitting in our sink. I usually don't let it get this bad. I usually try and load our dishwasher up throughout the day and kind of after we have every meal, but that did not happen today, so I needed to go ahead and play a little bit of catch up.
I always thought that we'd meet again. I hope you like to do that too. You have those eyes I wouldn't forget.
And then once I got everything loaded up into the dishwasher, I just needed to hand wash a few of our pots and pans. So I have been using this coconut scrubber that I got from Grove Collaborative. I shared it in one of my recent Grove hauls, and you guys have been asking me whether I like this, and I really like it a lot. It's not really abrasive where it's going to damage anything, but it's pretty abrasive and it seems to tackle a lot of really tough jobs really well. And I also love that it lathers up really nicely in my Bubble Up soap dish. So because I had a lot of dishes sitting in my sink, I really wanted to make sure I scrubbed it out really nice and clean. Plus, having a clean sink just is one of my favorite things. It's so satisfying to me. So I just used my Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint dish soap. If you guys have not tried the winter scents, you guys have to try them out. They smell so incredibly good, and they are running low on stock. So I will have a link down below where you can get some free goodies. I believe it comes with a free cleaning caddy as well as a 3-piece Mrs. Meyer's set and also a sponge. So it's an incredible deal that you just get for free with your first order. So definitely check out that link if you are interested in trying out Grove. So I am going to be going ahead and switching out some of my brushes today. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I organized under my sink because I get a lot of questions about that. So over on the right, I just have some command hooks to hold up my cloths and let them dry. And then off to the right, I have this little organizer thing from the Dollar Tree that I actually just hold my trash bags in. And then I have a few of the Grove Collaborative caddies, and this is just where I keep my cleaners that I use all the time, like regularly. And then in the other one behind here, I actually just keep my dishwasher tabs. And then off to the left, I just have these little organizing drawers that I actually got from Ross. And on the bottom, I just have all of my extra sponges. I kind of like to stock up, and that way I'm not running out and having to order really quickly or run to the store. And then on the top, I just have all of my microfiber cloths. Some are e-cloths, and then some are the ones that I love to get from Grove Collaborative. And then on the top, I just have some extra cleaners that I don't use all the time, or like my backups. And then same thing on the bottom. And then this little basket is where I put all of my dirty cloths that I need to go ahead and wash later that week. So that is just a really quick overview of how I organized under my sink, and it works really nice. Having your space with all of your cleaners organized makes such a difference, so I definitely recommend trying to get your space organized. Let me know if this is something that you would like to see a more in-depth video on. As you saw before, I cleaned out my dish station, which consists of my stoneware tray that kind of holds everything together and makes it look nice and uniform on my countertop. And then I also have my bubble up sponge dish and my bubble up dish brush. And these are just really nice and convenient. It definitely saves me a lot of dish soap. I've talked about them so many times, and a lot of you guys have ordered them either from Grove Collaborative or on Amazon. And you guys just tell me how much you love them, and I completely understand because they are really amazing. They just work so well, and they are really, really convenient. So if you haven't picked up a set yet, you definitely need to. You can get both of them on Grove Collaborative, as I said, and then I also have them saved in my Amazon favorites in case if you don't order from Grove. But either way, go ahead and pick them up because they are amazing. Next, I just needed to wipe off my counters, so I am just using the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint All-Purpose Spray. This stuff seriously smells so good, and I have really stocked up on it this time. I didn't stock up that much last year, and I ran out like a few months into the year, and I really missed it a lot. I just wish they would go ahead and make this one like an all the time scent instead of just a limited seasonal scent because it's amazing. Let me know in the comments which of these scents are your favorite, or if you like multiple ones. They have the orange clove, the Iowa pine, and then of course the peppermint. Next, I just really quickly wanted to wipe off my stove. I do usually clean this off with my e-cloths, but just for time's sake, I just wanted to kind of do it really quickly. And since I already had my spray and this towel out, I went ahead and just cleaned it this way. Then the last thing we needed to do before we started decorating our hot cocoa bar was just to vacuum the floor. And Luke is such a big helper. I don't know what I would do without him, but he really wanted to vacuum the floors, and I am not one to turn that down. So he went ahead and vacuumed the floors, and I just helped him out a little bit. I also get a ton of questions about our vacuum, and this is a Dyson V8 Absolute. I really love it. It actually has a little bit longer of a battery life than some of the other Dysons or some of the other vacuums even that I've seen. It has amazing suction, and the reason that we wanted to get the Absolute when we bought our Dyson is because it came with a bunch of different attachments, which makes it really nice because we're able to clean our car out with it, we're able to clean out our sofa, our stairs, just everything. We can go from hardwood to carpet, and it just makes it all so convenient. So I do have this vacuum saved in my Amazon favorites down in the description box, so in case you are wanting to look into it a little bit more, you can definitely check out that link.
With a cynical, faithless heart, I've been watching the kings and queens caught up in careless dreams. Oh, and you turned up
Now once all of that cleaning is done and we are kind of starting with a clean space, we are going to go ahead and get into the hot cocoa bar. Luke has been looking forward to this so much. I know we all have, but he's been asking me about it for days and days. So I was really excited to go ahead and include him in this. And like I said, he is just such a big helper. So he did amazing helping me out with this. So these jars were super cute and I just got them from the Dollar Tree. I love that you can sit them up straight or you can also kind of lay them on their sides, which is how we are going to use them. And inside we are just going to be adding some chocolate chips, both white and milk chocolate, and then also some marshmallows, and then also some peppermint stir sticks, because no hot cocoa bar is complete without some peppermint sticks.
I'll give love to the world. I stay true to my word. We'd be queens and kings of everything. I could gaze at the stars, take my rocket to Mars. We'd be queens and kings of everything. I bet my heart on you. Queens and kings of everything. On you. Queens and kings of everything. I bet my heart, all that I do for you. I bet my heart, all that I do for you.
Next, we are just adding in some sprinkles, and I wanted to put them in some smaller jars because the ones that they come in are just really not very cute. And these are some that I actually got from Brandless. They come in a pack of 4 for $3, so it's a really good deal. They are just spice jars, but they are actually pretty small. So I actually didn't really find them very useful for spices just because they are so small, but the size of them was so perfect for this hot cocoa bar.
Queens and kings of everything. I bet my heart on you. Queens and kings of everything. On you.
Next, we are just using this jar from Hobby Lobby. I got this in the party section and it was only a couple of dollars, so it was really inexpensive and I thought it was really cute. So we decided to go ahead and fill it up with marshmallows a little bit just to kind of add some little depth in there. And then we just added some candy canes in there and I thought that would be so cute looking, and it also was practical because of course we needed some more candy canes for a hot cocoa bar. Let me know in the comments what your favorite toppings would be for a hot cocoa bar, and also do you say hot cocoa or hot chocolate? I've always said hot cocoa, but I think my husband a lot of times says hot chocolate, so let me know in the comments.
I'm walking where we first sat down. I'm looking for that special kiss. I'm looking for the one I miss. I will make you mine, make you mine, make you mine again. I will give it all, give it all, give it all again. I will make you fly, make you fly, make you fly again. Tonight, tonight, our love will set us free.
Once we got all of our toppings set up, I just grabbed these chalkboard labels. I can't remember where I picked these ones up, but I know you can find them at Walmart or on Amazon. Even the Dollar Tree carries them sometimes, so you can kind of find them all over. But I just wanted to add some labels onto the jar just so you could see exactly what everything was. Plus, I think it looks super, super cute.
It's like a kind of gravity. I know you're closing in on me. I will make you mine, make you mine, make you mine again. I will give it all, give it all, give it all again. I will make you fly, make you fly, make you fly again.
The very final step to our hot cocoa bar is just to actually put everything together. So I first just started with this little cake stand. I got this from the Target dollar spot, and then I got this little box that I'm putting the hot cocoa in from Hobby Lobby, as well as a sign that I'm putting above it. And we are just using the packets of hot cocoa just because that's what we had, and also I felt like it would be a little bit more convenient that way, instead of having a big jar of hot cocoa that we would have to keep measuring out, and I thought with this little box it turned out so cute. Then I just had Luke start bringing over the toppings, and we just used the cake stand to kind of stagger the toppings and give them a little bit more depth. And then once we had all of the toppings set up, we just needed to add a few little decor pieces to kind of bring it all together and tie it all in. And I thought it turned out so cute. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever made a hot cocoa bar. As I said before, I've always wanted to have one and we just never have made one. But I definitely want to do this every single year from now on because it's just made it so fun. I love this little area that we have because we don't really use it, so it was kind of perfect, just kind of hidden off in the corner of our kitchen. And honestly, we have used this hot cocoa bar so much ever since we put it together, and I love how pretty and festive it looks too. Literally as soon as we finished putting this together, the boys ran up and wanted to get some hot cocoa. And Noah would have been here too, but I think he was actually taking a nap at this time. So I went ahead and just made them some hot cocoa and let them have at it and just add all the toppings that they wanted. And it was just so much fun watching them do this, and they have really enjoyed having the hot cocoa bar.
Like the fire in a cheetah, like a star about to fall, a fever rush inside me when I see her. I'm a dice roll, and I can feel my heart skip a beat or two. I don't know how to breathe, I don't know how to breathe, and I can feel within I am black and blue. Can't explain what she released, can't explain what she released when she said,
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you got all of the cleaning motivation that you need. It was really fun putting together this hot cocoa bar, so I hope this gave you a few ideas in case if you want to make a hot cocoa bar in your home. You can definitely make it very simple, and you can also make it on a budget because this was really inexpensive to go ahead and make this. Also, do not forget to go check out Lindsay's video. As I said, I will link her video down below. She is doing a clean with me and also decorating her own hot cocoa bar, so I'm excited to see what she comes up with for her hot cocoa bar. And when you head over to watch her video, go leave her a comment and let her know that I sent you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Do not forget to subscribe down below if you have not already, and also head over to Instagram and follow me over there. And I will see you guys in my next one.